In this video, you learn how to use the Excel VLOOKUP function. You've been provided with data with the hub, account ID, account name, year-to-date revenue plan, year-to-date revenue last year. You are required to use the account name on cell C3 to bring up here the year-to-date revenue plan, year-to-date revenue last year, and these are calculated fields. The first step is to do a data validation of the names on column C, starting from cell C10. To do a data validation of these names, go to data, then click on data validation. Then we will use allow a list, and the source will be the name starting from Walmart stores. Then I'll select using Control Shift down arrow to pick up to the last cell, then click OK. We then now have the names on a drop down list. I'll select at least one store or one account name so that I can use to do my VLOOKUP. The VLOOKUP function looks for a value in the leftmost column of a table and returns a value in the same row from a column you specify. By default, the table is sorted in an ascending order. Now, since we want to look for the account name, our leftmost lookup value will be on the value on column C. So we load the function dialog box and say our lookup value is the account name. In the table array, we'll start from here, Walmart, then I select my table. The column index, I'm looking for the year-to-date revenue, which is on column D. Based on our selection C10 to F209, our column year-to-date revenue will be column 2. And the range lookup can either be false or 0 for exact match. Then you click OK. Another alternative to selecting the table array C10 to F209 is to give a name to our table here. Then I can call this account data, for example. Then on my formula, it will be is equals to VLOOKUP for this account name in account data. So I don't need to select my table. Then my table array is in column 2. My column index is in column 2, and the range lookup is false for exact match. Then I close the bracket and enter. The year-to-date revenue, based on the name that we've given here called account data, the year-to-date revenue plan will be in column 1, 2, 3. So it will be is equals to VLOOKUP for that in account data. Give me what's in column number 3, then exact match 0. 0 and false can be used interchangeably. The next is year-to-date revenue last year, which is in column number 4, equals to VLOOKUP for account name ExxonMobil in account data. Then give me what's in column number 4, then 0. Automatically, then now we can get revenue versus plan and revenue versus last year. Thanks for watching.